indiscipline. Him know him a go so him still come out in this lane. Yo, it's not so bad this morning because one police officer out there, so you know, for the man them out here, so morning time. Well, yesterday the first time we was a route here. So early in the morning, man. So when you go across here, so it's a turning lane for go right. Man in there and I turn far right, you know, for go far left, you know. Seeing the people that we are come from 100 man side out there, so and I go cross. Like the light, them know them all get caught in the intersection, but them no business. Them just want to reach 1 inch further. For when the light change again, them can reach 1 inch further. You understand? So them block up the intersection. So anybody we go cross the light, if you go Elsha side out there, so I have to wait hours more time to move just because of discourtesy, indiscipline, and intolerance out here. Like, I don't understand. And then, because you see them here, say 100 man down there, so police then can walk come up here, so and not one man up here, you know, for try keep the thing on a level. The next stoplight up there, so the gas station is the next problem. Add the road conditions, the infinite potholes on the roads, you understand, and then the mad drivers them out there, and then it's not just the man them where I use the road wrongly, it's just you have some people out there who just hands down do not know how to drive a vehicle, and then that again causes chaos, a lot of indecision, a lot of iffiness, and then lick up people vehicle and then sit there out there. It's, tell you. So bad this morning, but I want to tell us, say, listen to them, man. See my people here. No, they might get caught in our light, you know. But them insist to come block the intersection. So watch this now. Road block off. What you gonna do? Can't do nothing, you know. Brother, nobody do that.
Give me an interview them, but go on.
So me I talk about people craziness, man. Because nobody has no patience. Imagine somebody will just start drive, come out on the road all the morning like this. I mean, this is much better than it was yesterday. So somebody will just start drive, a young man or a young lady, see, and then come out there and them me. It's a rough day they have because them still I try to get confidence, them still I try to be comfortable with the vehicle with them I drive, and them come out here in a mayhem, so to speak. So oftentimes that's how enough young drivers end up in a problem out here and will cuss them can't drive and them something. But we're not even try to help them neither. I know some people are going to say, but teach them if you can't drive, you don't have to come out here. Well, we have to start somewhere, answer. You understand? Well, we not born to drive. Some people take time. So I do so things set up. continue to grow infrastructurally, and as it relates to more housing schemes here, there and everywhere. A lot of the roads over here has the width already that can be widened, and a lot of roads become 2 lanes. I don't know. First, well, I mean, the surface of many roads over here already is in a state of madness. But I guess we just probably think out loud still, like when you look on I-95, both sides of the road can be widened easily. It's not even like residents will be affected in terms of if there's any upgrading of that roadway. It's right here, so again approaching I don't know the name, Pines stoplight, Sovereign stoplight, or if you want to call it that. See, both sides of the road have space where it can be widened easily, so I know. So I'm going to talk about lack of patience again. So everybody in a rush, and then that cause or lead to no congestion unnecessarily. So I mean, where's the vision, the representation for the people in these parts? I think this constituency belongs to one Fitz Jackson. I think he has been MP this side for a long time as well. So no vision, no mission, no initiative, nothing. So just the bare minimum, the basic requirement for re-election and them something there. As the community continues to grow, what will be done to improve the flow of traffic and the accommodation of more and more vehicles on the roads in Portmore as the years go by? It's more developments, on top of developments, on top of developments, and that is alright, you know. There's nothing wrong with that, but it has to be sustainable, and it has to be done with some form of vision and insight for what the future might hold. But I guess again, probably me just over ambitious, yes. And it's not like it is something that is going to slow down. It is actually picking up pace. Like everywhere you turn is a new building being erected, a new plaza, a new housing scheme, but no new roads, no road improvement. Well, it's not so much 100% factual, because there has been some work ongoing for Passage Fort Drive. Like, no, that's not Passage Fort Drive. That would be the city main road there. So yeah, from Augusta Drive go up to Grange Lane stoplight up there. So some work has been going on there. But apart from that, and some work was done out on I-95, but that was just to facilitate the construction of that new housing scheme out there. So I don't know what I go on with trying to get the roadways to try to keep a pace or you know, kind of match stride for stride the infrastructural growth. But I see new plaza there, well, relatively new now, plaza across there, so but no roads. And as I said, one of the things where even make compound the issue is that the roads that exist already are largely in a state of disrepair. Like, it's crazy. And if you go places like Dumby Hole inside, or that you turn at the stoplight there, so we go them side around Ascot side of them place there. Pothole more than road. Some rehabilitation work was done out here, so right? So there's a scheme to the left over here. So I don't even know what the scheme is here, but they have erected traffic lights and improved the road here. So then that is it. And so this is I-95. When you look on the left side here, you look on the right side, there's more than ample space to construct additional lanes out here. One more lane over here, so one more lane over here. So based on the volume of traffic that uses this stretch of road in the mornings and in the evenings into the night, peak hour time, like, and with that scheme being built and more schemes potentially going to be built, then what is going to happen to the traffic situation out here? So like, these are things where we'll continue to fall short on, like, in the planning phase and planning stage and the approval for these new housing developments. No consideration is being made or given to the improvement of roadways down by Sovereign side. Boom, that has been happening down there. So with Fontana and Price Mart and Sovereign before that, nothing, as far as I can remember, was done to that area of the road to facilitate the increased volume of vehicular traffic. So I don't know why the vision now match the expansion, or the expansion. Well, I don't know, is it right? We probably talk too much about still, but you know, sometimes we just think about some things that affect the country, and some things not affect be so bad. Yeah, and that's what I mean. So we have agencies and ministries for everything. Why are these agencies and ministries not doing the things that they are being paid for? Because it just, I don't know. So there's some work that is going on this. Apparently this is supposed to go across Grange Lane and go all the way right through. And the work out here, that's the next thing. The pace at the work goes on is crazy. Like, I remember when the 3 miles overpass was being built, and there was some issue with the approach to Dyke Road from Waterford. See? And I think that and then they were also working on the road on a Bayside, on a Kent side around there, so. And the 3 mile overpass road, remember, you know, massive construction, you know, Zane, was completed before the Bayside leg of the road and the Dyke Road situation. And I think it's probably was the same contractor, local contractor, doing those two pieces of road versus China Harbour that was working on, and yes, China Harbour have more resources and stuff. However, it is an ongoing thing where, one, the pace at which road work is done by local contractors is lacking. There's a lot to be desired there, so you understand. And not only the, so if you take so long for do it, then when you do it, it should then hold up to all of the elements and we have good roads for a long time. But no, sir, the longer I take, the faster I mash up, apparently. So they have been doing some work on this for a while now too, so at least there's some improvement on this side. I know.